everyone, hope you happy in learning English. Today, we'll learn how to use it takes. It takes expresses a period of time which is necessary in order to complete some action. It takes is always followed by an infinitive. Example: it takes me 45 minutes to get ready in the morning. Present: it took us 3 weeks to finish the project. Past: it'll take you a half hour or change that tire. Future: let's change each of the following sentences of it takes as required by the meaning.
1. She walked to work in 10 minutes. 2. I finished my work in an hour. 3. He learns to speak English well every day. 4. The train went around the mountain in an hour. 5. They finished the bridge in 1 year. 6. The cable reached him in 2 days. 7. You'll get there in about an hour. Corn.
Do you know the answers? Let's go. 1. It took her to work in 10 minutes. 2. It took me to finish my work in an hour. 3. It takes him learns to speak English well every day. 4. It took it to go around the mountain in an hour. 5. It took them to finish the bridge in 1 year. 6. It took it to reach him in 2 days. 7. It'll take you to get there in about an hour. Wish you happy in learning.